after 20 years of implementation delays, the Real ID Act was passed by Congress in 2005 following the 9/11 Commission's recommendation that the federal government enhance security standards for identification. Now that the May 7th deadline is here, that's today, what does it mean for travelers with or without the new card? Sherelle Hubbard explains.
Flyers already frustrated by long lines now have another worry to add to their travel list: the Real ID. It's the Transportation Security Administration's newest requirement, and after 20 years in the making, the deadline is Wednesday.
81% of the travelers that travel by airline in the United States today are already compliant. So they have IDs that already they will be able to use just like they normally always have been.
Department of Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem says 81% of travelers have IDs that are already compliant.
I have the Real ID.
But what about the others?
No, I don't.
I do not have the Real ID yet.
No, I don't.
I don't have the Real ID at all.
Some may have a Real ID unbeknownst to them. If you see a star in the upper right-hand corner of your ID, usually a driver's license, you're all set. If you don't, because of long wait times at your local Department of Motor Vehicles office or plain old forgetfulness, you're in luck.
We are going to process you.
TSA's Steve Lawrence says although full implementation day is Wednesday, the TSA intends to help flyers through the process. A passport card, and other federally recognized IDs will be accepted. If you do not have the new Real ID, you may be diverted to a different line, have an extra step, and ultimately spend more time going through the security process, but you will be allowed to fly.
You will not be turned away.
I'm Sherelle Hubbard reporting.
The documentation required by each state varies for securing a Real ID. The TSA advises checking with state motor vehicle departments for guidance on requirements before attempting to visit those facilities in person. The TSA is also encouraging travelers to give themselves plenty of time for air travel to factor in possible delays at airport security checkpoints as the full implementation goes into effect.